Good morning, everybody. Dean and Wright has asked me to briefly outline how CCM Engineering Department and its benefactors have helped me pursue my dream. I am from Trinidad. I grew up in a small village. When I was in primary school, I got government-funded school lunches because my parents couldn't afford providing lunch. I felt embarrassed and school was hard. I would wake up 3 a.m. in the morning, studying hours before school, but I couldn't write well. I still couldn't write well, and I still couldn't do mental math. My parents were uneducated, so they couldn't help me with school. My grades were horrible. In Trinidad, teachers punish poor performance by whipping the student with a wood switch. So school terrified me, and I couldn't understand why I was doing badly despite studying so hard. In 2003, I came to America. I took a test. I learned that I have a learning disability. I learned that I have to study differently. I began to teach myself how to study. I got my high school diploma. That gives me the confidence to enroll in CCM in 2016. I am the first in the family to attend college. I was drawn to electronic engineering technology. It has computer science, circuit programming, and electrical engineering with a lot of hands-on lab work. I love working with my hands. While at CCM, Glenbrook Technology generously offered me an academic college scholarship and a summer internship. At Glenbrook, I learned device assembly, soldering, wiring control, drilling, and other skills. Glenbrook staff was welcoming and helpful. Glenbrook offered me the terrific hands-on experience. I graduate in May. From here, I'm looking for a job as an engineering technician. I also hope to complete a bachelor's degree at night. From subsidizing school lunches in a small village to building electronic circuits, when I was a child, I could not have imagined having this opportunity. Thanks to Glenbrook Technology, to CCM Engineering Department, and my professors. Thank you.